Congratulations. If you made it this far, that means then you're ready to deploy your app. We're going to be manually deploying our app through a DigitalOcean droplet or server using Ubuntu. We will not be using a Docker container file. Oftentimes, it's a growing trend now that you can bundle all of your dependencies inside a Docker container, and that's just essentially your app in a little box, and you can quickly and easily deploy that. The reason we aren't doing that is honestly because I have not yet really gotten my head around how you build one of those containers reliably. It's been a hot mess every time I've tried. So until I figure that out, we'll just be doing it the way that we do, just following along these guides. They are excellent, and they also preclude me from having to document a lot of this stuff. Instead, we'll just follow along the links here. So I will have already assumed that you have gone to DigitalOcean and created a droplet, and you've got your own IP now, and we are ready to follow along. So let's go to my terminal window, and we will log into the root address here. You will use that password, and again, and now I need to make a new password. Okay, so I'm in. Now I'm going to add my own user and give my user account admin privileges. I'll be sure to script this out later. Excuse me. So, okay. Okay. User mod ag sudo. Cool. Okay, cannot emphasize enough how important it is that you follow the rest of these steps. I can't really show them on the screen because it does give away a lot of the details about how I'm securing this server, but just follow along. They literally tell you what to type in and why you're doing it. So follow these steps, and the goal would be that eventually, using PuTTY or using Terminal, depending if you have a Windows computer or not, that you'll be able to have a clear access login, that you'll be able to be typing at the server that you're trying to reach. And now I'm able to communicate directly with administrative privileges with the server, and I'm ready to now deploy my app.